Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we're making smoked lamb jerky using a mix of both the pellet grill smoker and the oven. I'll start prepping a boneless leg of lamb by removing all the excess moisture with the paper towel. Then removing any excess fat and silver skin. We want this meat to be as lean as possible. Now with all of that silver skin and fat removed, I'll start slicing this lamb leg with the grain into roughly 5mm slices. For flavour, I'll add 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, half a cup of soy sauce, two tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. Give that all a good hand mix and set aside in the fridge for 1 hour. 1 hour later, lay all the individual pieces onto a wire rack. Time to get the smoker all fired up. The lowest I can set the temp on the pellet smoker is 75 degrees Celsius or 167 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'll set it to the lowest temp and the highest smoke amount. I'll let this smoke for 1 hour. Preheat the oven to 50 degrees Celsius or 122 degrees Fahrenheit, or if you have one, use a food dehydrator. The 1 hour in the smoker is done, so time to get this inside and into the oven. Cook these at 50 degrees Celsius or 122 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 hours. Five hours later, these are ready to take off the wire rack and let rest for 20 minutes. These lamb jerky pieces are still soft and not too chewy after 5 hours. So if you prefer your jerky a bit tougher, just keep them in the oven for a bit longer. These pieces store well in a vacuum sealed bag and can last up to 6 months in the pantry or a year in the refrigerator. This jerky is packed with protein and lightweight to carry. Definitely my go-to quick snack when I'm camping or out fishing. This also goes down well with a couple of cold ones. Thanks for watching this quick video on how to make lamb jerky. It's much appreciated, and I'll see you all in the next one.